Hey guys, it's Sandy here from YC Onion. Slow motion might be the coolest and easiest way to level up your video. So today I'm going to share some tips of how to do slow motion properly and make your B-rolls look epic. As Gorda said, film is truth 24 times a second. That is to say, when our camera captures 24 frames per second, we call it slow motion. Now, there are generally two ways to do a slow motion video. The first is to switch the camera to SNQ mode, and then you'll get a slow motion video directly. The second is that we shoot a video and put it in Final Cut Pro and play it back at a really slow speed to achieve the same effect. The reasons why so many people are adding slow motion in their videos is that it allows us to see details that are usually overlooked, and that enhances the beauty of the image. Also, if you film with bare hands, the image is going to get really shaky easily. But in slow motion, we can see that the image is more stable. These are why shooting in slow motion will level up the video. Last but not least, there are something you need to know about slow motion. First of all, different devices support different quality of image and frame rate. So we gotta be familiar with this equipment in our hand and choose the right frame rate to achieve the proper effect. Secondly, we use slow motion to highlight the drama. So the image should not be too flat. It is also very important to choose the right scene. For example, we can choose the scene where the subject is in motion. That's how you do slow motion properly. Well, this is the end of the tutorial. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, which is gonna be very helpful for us to do more in the future. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!